Next step is tinting our lino. Crack out our fountain pen ink or Indian ink, an old rag, in this case Grandpa's hanky, some good old-fashioned rubber gloves to protect our hands so we don't end up staining them. Let's splotch a dollop of ink into a container, ink up, and now what we're going to do is smear this, smoosh it all over our lino block to give us a beautiful even coverage. So by doing this, we're darkening our lino, which will give us a beautiful contrast when we are carving, which makes it easier to see, which makes it a better carve. Once it's covered nicely like this, just let it dry and you're away. Next step, getting your image onto your block and carving.